It costs around 15 to 18 lakhs and maybe more now. Food sometimes, especially for vegetarians, is not a good thing. Waiting time in Merchant Navy nowadays is quite a lot. So, but I know a few companies which don't have internet or What's up guys, welcome back to another day at sea, and today is a very important topic, so do watch the entire video. Seafarers and people who want to become seafarers, do watch the entire video because I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons of Merchant Navy. So before I start, I want to tell you that mindset is a very important thing. If you have a good strong mind, every job will become good and positive. If you have a bad pessimistic mind, then every job will become negative. So that is very important for you to first understand. Every job is important in this world. 90% of the cargo is being carried by us, so it is a very important job and we have to do it. Someone has to do it. So luckily I am one of them, so I'm really proud of it. And yeah, so do not compare this job to any other job. It is a good job. Every job has its pros and cons, so let's talk about it. Don't call me sir so much. I am I feel like I am a very old person, so I'm here to help you, and you can help me by supporting this channel and subscribing to it and sharing it. So yeah, let's start. So let's start with the pros. So first, so first is that you get to earn good money in the beginning. That is for sure. You earn a lot and it's non-taxable. So non-taxable is because you are at sea for 183 days. Make sure you complete that sea time to get the non-taxable benefits. Next part is that yes, this is a life which is less ordinary. I hate jobs which in which you have to sit on the computer and do work for like 10-12 hours and then live for the weekends. So well, over here there are no weekends, so that's something you have to keep in mind. But when you go home, then it's all weekend. So I stay at home for 3, 4, 5 months, nothing to do. I enjoy myself. I pursue my hobbies. I love riding motorcycles. I go on trips. I can do whatever I want. There's nobody who's calling me all the time, for some documentation or something. But sometimes you have to do some normal processes like renewing your documents and getting some courses done, but that's okay, that's part of the job. And yeah, that is something which is very good about this profession. Then yes, you do get to see different places, and I will talk about it more in the cons as well, because yeah, I have seen a lot of beautiful. I have traveled so many countries, I cannot even count, except for Australia and New Zealand. I've been to all of the continents and countries. So yeah, that is something I'm proud of. Then next is vacations. 5-6 months of vacations. You can do whatever. You can start your own business, anything. Then most importantly, there's another point known as multinational exposure. So I'm here working with Germans, Danish, Swedish, Polish, Filipinos, Burmese, Sri Lankans, and I get to learn so much from them, their culture, the way they speak, their behavior. So it all it helps me in growing as a human being, so that I can improvise and adapt to a certain person what they want and what I want from them. So and one of my seniors, they told me that due to this multinational crew exposure, the IIMs and ISB and all these big colleges, they give you a better point system since you have much greater exposure. So that's a plus point, and kudos to that. Then yes, there is a lot of professionalism which you will learn here. So and you have big responsibility. Big responsibility means I am here navigating a ship which has millions of dollars of cargo, and it is under my control for 8 hours in a day. So you can imagine the responsibility. Also, the lives of 25 people depends upon me, and so many things, even environment. So definitely you become more professional and more responsible. You get to become financially independent. You won't be living off of your parents' money. So you can earn your money, do whatever with it, but make sure you don't get into drugs and alcohol and all kinds of rubbish things, because you will get money. Utilize it in a good way, invest it, save it. Anything can happen anytime, so you must have some backup and reserves. So that is very important. Next is you get to be with nature, guys. Nature, guys, you must have seen how beautiful things are all around us, and you have to appreciate the beauty of it. You can appreciate it, respect it, be environment conscious. It is so beautiful, guys, and we are already spoiling it so much. So I'm sure you guys who are watching it do love nature as much as I do. Everyone loves nature, so appreciate it. And that is one of the biggest things which I find myself at peace with, that I am surrounded by nature. Not money, not anything, but nature. I get to go on the bridge and see through the windows beautiful oceans, blue skies, sunset, sunrise, you must have seen, you name it. So it's absolutely perfect. So at the same time, I want to emphasize on the thing that mental toughness is really important. And for me, what I do to become mentally sane is I work out. I love working out. Then I do some meditation, I read books, and I work like this. I've started working on this YouTube channel. So I think so far my mental sanity has been really nice. Now everything in India has become online, so it's a very streamlined process. DG Shipping, thank you for making everything online. So even the courses are online due to this COVID-19 thing. So we have to adapt to it. Yeah, also food sometimes is really good. So definitely you will get to taste new cuisines and new stuff. So one more thing which I find really positive about this is that you get to know yourself better. So you're staying alone for such extended periods of time, you get to know what you like, what you dislike, so you become a better human being. You know when you are going down, so you can uplift yourself by learning from the past events. So I absolutely think that this will make you grow so much. And yeah, next we go on to the cons. There are always cons in every job, so I will just tell you a few which I find a bit tough. So anyway, that's all in the mind. It's fine. You have to adapt, and it's your mindset. You should never have a fixed mindset that this is bad, so this will be bad. So you will always feel this job is bad. You should have a growth mindset. Growth mindset means if it's bad, that means you're growing. You are learning how to overcome this. Yeah, you're building muscles in your mind to overcome these challenges. So you keep growing. So let's start. The thing is, waiting time in Merchant Navy nowadays is quite a lot. So even I waited for 5 months for my first ship. So you have to digest the fact that you will have to wait at home for some period of time. Then next is exams in MMD. They cost money. You have to go to the major cities. So courses and all, they will cost you 1 lakh. Staying somewhere will cost you another lakh, and transportation, commute. So it will be expensive. And next thing is studies. Guys, you have to study. There is no escaping this, that you go into Merchant Navy and then you think you will not study, but you have to study all the time. So yeah, at least till you become a captain, you will have to give examinations, orals and writtens, and then you have to do refresher courses. So continuous process. Then next is you have some family commitment issues. Definitely, you're staying on ships for 5-6 months. You have old parents, maybe they need your support, your wife, your kids. So you have to sacrifice a lot. Definitely for the money, yes, you will have to sacrifice it. So if you're okay with it, only then come here. Otherwise, please, there are many other professions in which you will do fine. So yeah. Then next is internet in Maersk is good and unlimited, but I know a few companies which don't have internet, or which have internet which are limited, and then you have to pay for it. Traveling places, important topic. Not so much in container ships, because port stays are 24 to 36 hours. So you, like I said, if you're an officer, you do 6 on 6 off. You want to sleep, you sleep. You don't want to sleep, you can go out. But I like to sleep because you get really tired. So since the time I've been an officer, I haven't traveled much, but yeah, I have been to different continents, and bought fridge magnets, so I'm really proud of that. Yes. So time zones also keep changing, and your body clock, you know, needs to adapt. So in the beginning it will be stressful, but fatigued, and you'll feel tired, but otherwise, you know, it gets fine with time. Then next is yeah guys, like psychological impact of staying alone. It is an important point. Psychology, you know, staying at home in COVID-19 isolation, you must have understood, is tough. So same thing here, you don't have many friends over here, so you know, you will not be able to share stuff with people so freely. So yeah, you will feel isolated, but again, you have to be tough from here. It's fine, nothing wrong in staying alone. So yeah, always bear in mind, you have to be mentally tough. Then you will have different nationalities, so different languages, so communication gaps. So if you will have disputes, but be a good person, always resolve those disputes and don't carry it forward, because you, being a good officer or a person, you know, need to compromise the situation and, you know, be humble with each other, because in the end it's just you 24 guys who are running the show. So food sometimes, especially for vegetarians, is not a good thing. You get a lot of meat here, so unfortunately for vegetarians, I don't know how you will deal with it, because sometimes it's just boiled vegetables and, you know, maybe some nuts, so nothing else. Then college fees is expensive, especially the initial training part. So you can take educational loans and all of that. So if you're okay with it, then it's fine, but it will cost you money at the beginning, but the returns are really nice. Yeah guys, that's the negatives I can think of. And be healthy always, you know, eat good, exercise, keep yourself mentally fit, that's the most important. And I'm sure people who are aspiring to join Merchant Navy will do. I will help you guys in whatever way I can. Any other questions you have, do put it in the comment section below. I'll keep making such videos like I promised, and do subscribe to the channel and share it as much as possible. And see you guys in another video at another day at sea guys. Thank you.